Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope we are all both well by the Almighty Allah. Follow the topic, suffix, prefix on education. The lessons we will learn here: number 1, suffix, prefix on education. Number 2, article gaps. Number 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Step by step, 3 experiences will be gathered in our memories. Part 1, suffix, prefix on education. Let's go to read out the whole passage on education. Education is essential for any kind of development. The poor socio-economic condition of our country can be largely attributed to many people's accessibility to education. Many literate people do not have any knowledge of health, sanitation, and population control. It enables us to perform our duties properly. Education helps us to adopt a rational attitude. It provides us with an enlightened awareness about things, and this awareness is a requisite for social development. We read out the whole passage of education. Let's go to see the answer at the first time of suffix, prefix or both. Follow here the answer. Develop, development, largely, literate, illiterate, accessibility, inaccessibility, populate, population, enables, enables, properly, requisite, prerequisite, lightened, enlightened. As per the sentence meanings, the suffix, prefix or both have been added. Again, follow here the questions. Now you have to try your level best or struggle to make correct the word or root word with suffix, prefix or both. Develop, large, accessibility, literate, populate, able, proper, lightened, ration, requisite. There are 10 root words. Just as per the sentence meaning, we have to change the root words with prefix or suffix or both. As we have displayed the answer to you before, now it may be easy to you to fill up the blanks with suffix, prefix, with main or root words. Follow the answer. Again, I give the chance to see the answers. Develop, development, largely, accessibility, inaccessibility, literate, illiterate, populate, population, ables, enables, properly, ration, rational, lightened, enlightened, requisite, prerequisite. Okay, hope these answers are so available to you now. Part 2, article blanks. Now we will talk about article gaps. Let's go to read out the whole passage again on article blanks. Education is essential for any kind of development. The poor socio-economic condition of our country can be largely attributed to many people's inaccessibility to education. Many illiterate people do not have any knowledge of health, sanitation, and population control. It enables us to perform our duties properly. Education helps us to adopt a rational attitude. It provides us with an enlightened awareness about things, and this awareness is a prerequisite for social development. Follow here, there are 5 blanks for article. Just as per the sentence rules and regulation, we can use a and the or cross. Follow the rules and regulation. If the subject or object is particular, we have to use the. For non-particular object or singular word, we can use before the word a or an. Vowel added words may contain an, and non-vowel words may have a. And if we see no article is necessary before the word, we can use cross. These are the systems to fill in the blanks with articles. Follow the answers. First article, the poor socio-economic condition of our country. Second article, cross, largely attributed. Third article, a. Fourth article, and last article, a. Just the rules are followed to fill up the blanks with articles. Particular, subject or object, the. No article, cross. Singular word, a or an. Vowel, added word, and no vowel, a. Follow here, enlighten and a rational attitude. In this way, you have to fill up the blanks with articles. Follow here, again the questions are appeared to you. Read and struggle to find out the meaning of each sentence. Again and again, I emphasize on this topic. If you can find out the meaning from the sentence clearly, the blanks with articles will be easy for you. Perhaps now these blanks are so available for you to fill with articles. Follow the answer again. I give the scope. As you have tried your level best to utter the answers as per the meaning of the sentence, and someone has written on the exercise note, match the answers. Hope you will be successful. Part 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Read out the whole passage again to learn capitalization and punctuation mark as per the passage. Education is essential for any kind of development. The poor socio-economic condition of our country can be largely attributed to many people's inaccessibility to education. Many illiterate people do not have any knowledge of health, sanitation, and population control. It enables us to perform our duties properly. Education helps us to adopt a rational attitude. It provides us with an enlightened awareness about things, and this awareness is a prerequisite for social development. Follow there are 5 words marked with white colors: people's, health, control, education, development. Each word contains a fault of capitalization and punctuation mark. Just by study with attention or contemplation, we have to find out the faults from each word, capitalization and punctuation marks. Follow the answers: people, here, apostrophe, health, comma, control, full stop, education, E, capital letter, development, full stop. The rules and regulations follow: people's, if one object is under ones, we have to use apostrophe, people's. Health, comma, if we have to pause for half second or 30 seconds, we have to use comma. Control, when the sentence is assertive, at the end of the sentence we have to use full stop. Education, E capital letter. At the beginning of the sentence we have to use E. Development, full stop, it is the assertive sentence. Follow the questions again. I give the chance to struggle yourself to make the answer correct. People's, health, control, education, development. Just following the meaning, the rules and regulations, you can advance yourselves. Hope you will be successful. But let's go to match the answers again with your exercise note. Follow the answers here. Again I give the scope: people's, apostrophe, health, comma, control, full stop, education, E, capital letter, development, full stop. People's, apostrophe, health, comma, control, full stop, education, E, capital letter, development, full stop. All the words or sentences are written as per the rules and regulations of capitalization and punctuation mark. Okay. Thanks so much. Wish you good luck to the Almighty Allah. Follow the whole video class from first to last.